So there have been frenzy in IPO and primary markets in India for last almost 2 years. Last year, about 91 companies on the main board could able to raise almost $18 billion. And this year till now, 74 IPOs have come and they could able to raise almost $10 billion. And this quarter is a very busy quarter. You just mentioned about Tata Capital IPO and also about LG Electronics. I think it's not euphoric. Its frenzy is definitely there. Some of the IPOs have been priced to the perfection or even excessive pricing. We have seen a wide range of listing gains. So on an average, we've seen this year about 9% gain on a listing day, but it is as high as 73% for one IPO and minus 40% for another IPO. So the range have been really long. And we have also seen the interest coming in from the institutional customers, particularly from foreign portfolio investors in the primary market, though they have been relentlessly selling in the secondary market. So to that extent, I think there have been frenzy. But if we have to look at positive of this frenzy of IPOs, we could able to give exit to a lot of MNCs, Whirlpool, LG, Hyundai, could able to take out billions of dollars and able to monetize in India as they are getting great valuations as compared to their respective markets.
Yeah, absolutely. In fact, Dhiraj, one of my producers, introduced me to a new word today, finfluencer. So these are the people who are on YouTube with many, many videos recommending various IPOs or digesting IPOs to particularly mom and pop investors. We're talking about not the anchor investors. We're not talking about the institutional ones for a second. I want to talk about those who can really get caught out, because when the hype dies down and those prices come down, they get hit. And I wonder, some of these people, they're taking out personal loans to be able to fund these investments. Do you think that there needs to be more caution, that we should be wary of this kind of thing?
In India, the domestic liquidity is tied and married to the domestic opportunities. Earlier, they were investing more into the real assets than to fixed deposits. Now there has been a great exuberance in terms of participating in the capital market. We have now 200 million demat account holders. To that extent, it has been a great story in terms of financialization of savings and equitization of savings. But I agree with you that there is a need for us to bring in caution on the table when it comes to the pricing of IPOs. All IPOs have not been priced where they're leaving some money on the table. So to that extent, some of the investors are losing money on listing, and particularly when post-listing, when they get trapped into the a loss aversion bias, then they stick on to these suboptimal investments also. And that's true for most of the markets, and it's playing out in India as well.